In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video from CapCut to YouTube step by step so you can take your edited project and get it published online quickly and easily. This is a really useful workflow if you create content in CapCut and want to send it straight to YouTube without getting lost in a bunch of confusing settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your video properly, connect to YouTube if needed, and finish uploading your content with the right title, description, and privacy settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut on your PC. Make sure your edit is completely finished before you export, because once the file is rendered, it's much easier to upload a final version than to go back and make changes later. Take a quick moment to review your video, check your clips, audio, text, and transitions, and make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear on YouTube. Once you're ready, look to the top right corner of CapCut and click Export. This is the main export button that prepares your video file for upload. After clicking export, you'll see a few settings you can customize, and this step matters more than many people realize. Choose your preferred resolution, such as 1080p or 4K if your footage supports it. Then select your frame rate, which usually matches the footage you used in your project. Next, adjust the bitrate if needed, because this helps control the quality and file size of your final video. You'll also want to choose the correct format for your upload, since the format affects compatibility and quality when YouTube processes your file. If you're unsure, the default recommended settings are often a good place to start, but always try to keep the quality high enough for your audience. Once your export settings are ready, click Export again and wait for the video to finish rendering. Depending on the length of your project and the strength of your computer, this part may take a few minutes. Don't close CapCut while it's rendering, and try not to interrupt the process, because you want a clean finished file with no errors. After the render is complete, some versions of CapCut may show sharing options right away. If you see a YouTube option, click YouTube to continue with the upload flow. This can save time because it connects the export directly to your YouTube account. If CapCut asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with the YouTube account you want to use. Make sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple channels, because you don't want to accidentally upload to the wrong one. Once you're signed in, CapCut will bring up the upload details, and this is where you enter the information that helps your video appear properly on YouTube. Add your video title and make it clear, searchable, and relevant to the content. Then write your description, including useful details, links, or any extra information your viewers need. After that, choose the audience setting. If your video is made for general viewers, make sure the audience option is set correctly so YouTube knows how to classify it. Then select your privacy option. You can usually choose public, unlisted, or private, depending on whether you want everyone to see it right away or you want to save it for later. Double check these settings before moving forward, because once a video is published, the wrong privacy choice can affect how and when people find it. When everything looks good, click Publish or Upload to finish the process. CapCut will send the file to YouTube, and depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a little while. Once it's done, your video will be on its way to YouTube and ready for viewers to watch. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video from CapCut to YouTube. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and with a few good export settings, you can keep your videos looking sharp and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on editing, exporting, and uploading your videos the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.